A rising tide lifts all boats. Have you heard that before? If you haven't, look it up. And I think we've all been in the space where we're like, I'm looking around and I'm like, where's my tide? Where's my support? Like, I need to be lifted. I need to rise. Like, where can I get this support? I don't see it anywhere. Babe, you are the tide. You lift all boats, right? And I'm not talking about these boats with some holes. Like, these are sinking boats, sinking ships out here. The tide can do nothing about that, right? The ones that rise, right? And how do we become the tide? We are the tide. We don't become it. So you just follow what your true nature is, what your authentic self is, what you love, what you're passionate about, what lights you on fire. That makes you the tide that you are meant to be. Like, there's no choice here. You're not a boat. You the tide. So act like it.